Let's explore how you can curve your text using Adobe Illustrator. To curve text in Illustrator, you'll need a curved path to place the text on. We'll create this path using the Pen Tool, which you can find in the toolbar or access by pressing P on the keyboard. With the tool selected, create a smooth curved line according to your requirement. Once you're satisfied, press the Escape or Enter key to complete the path. This line will serve as the path for the text. Next, click and hold the Type tool icon, then select Type on a Path tool from the options. Hover your cursor over the curved path and click to place the text along it. You'll see default text appear along the curve. To customize the text, replace the placeholder with your desired text. You can change the font and size by triple-clicking the text to select it all, then choosing your preferred options from the toolbar. For this demo, I'll use the Tilt Warp Regular font. To adjust the text size, hover over the font size field and scroll with your mouse wheel. When you select the Direct Selection tool, you'll notice 3 faint blue lines along the path. These lines represent the start, end, and placement points of the text. Start point moves it left or right to adjust where the text begins. End point drags it to shorten or extend the text along the path. Center line drags it to reposition the text, even flipping it to the opposite side of the curve if desired. Simply drag the center line across to the opposite side. To center align your text, use the alignment options in the toolbar. Adjust the font size further if needed and add spacing between the letters by holding the Alt key or Option on Mac and pressing the right arrow key. To reduce spacing, press the left arrow key instead. Once you're happy with the text placement, switch back to the Selection tool and click outside the text to deselect it. If you need to modify the path after curving the text, use the Direct Selection tool to move individual anchor points. The text will automatically adjust to follow the updated curve. That's it. You've successfully curved text in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.